In chapter 1, we talked a lot about addition. Can you show me addition or more? Very good job. Okay, so we were used to getting more and more when we add. But now this chapter, we are going to be talking about subtraction. Do you see this word subtraction? What do you think subtraction means? Show me what you think it means. There we go. Good. Push it away because that means it is going away. Okay? Somehow it is going somewhere. So this whole chapter we're going to be talking about subtraction concepts. So we need to be thinking about different ways we can help ourselves subtract. So we had a couple of ways that we talked about how we can add. Does anyone remember one of the ways we talked about in math how we can add? Using cubes. You were exactly right. In order to add, we could have used cubes. How else could we have added? We could have it in our brains. You are exactly right, and that's exactly what we could do with subtraction too. What was another concept?
You could also use the bars.
We could use the bars. So, for instance, if I had a 7 here, and this equals 8, what does this have to be?
1.
A 1, because it's just a really teeny tiny sliver, isn't it? We could use the bars. Yes, ma'am. Counters. We could use counters to help us. Do you think we can use all these ways to help us subtract?
Yes.
I bet we can. We can probably use all of these ways. So, just because we use them to add, don't forget about it, okay? Because they're going to be good ways to help us subtract, okay? But first, let's take a look at this story, okay? Look at this picture I have up here. There are 3 puppies in the basket. 1 puppy is taken out of the basket. How many puppies are in the basket now?
2.
Raise your hand if you know how many puppies are in the basket now. Yes, sir.
2.
Very good. Would you like to come up and write the number sentence for me? Okay. Write it over here. How many puppies were in the basket first? So write that number first. Let's do it the other way. That's backwards. And write close to this line. There you go. Okay, now we're going to stop right here. When we added, what did we do? What did we write next? What sign did we write? What did we write? We wrote a plus sign. But because we are subtracting, what are we going to do? First grade? Minus sign. So go ahead and draw the minus sign.
What's a minus?
You're right, it's just a line. There you go. And then how many puppies were taken out?
1.
Okay. Do I have to draw my equal sign?
Yes.
Why the
Important. Because it's important.
It is important. Go ahead and draw your equal sign. And what did you tell me the answer was? What did you tell me the answer was?
2.
There you go. Can you write 2 for me, please? There you go. Thank you, sir. Okay, now something else is different when we subtract. Remember when we subtracted, the answer was called the sum. But when you subtract, the answer is not called the sum. And we're going to be talking about that.
It's going to be hard.
Okay, it's not going to be hard. We're going to practice, right? Okay, so first grade, it is very, very important that you remember these things from addition and use it for our subtraction. But the most important thing that we need to remember about subtraction is
Plus.
it's a minus and it goes away. It goes out. Okay, away, away. Whoops.